Hi peeps, so happy you are here today. In this video segment, 24 divided by 8, which equals 3, and 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Now we have this problem, 3 divided by 3, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 24 divided by 8 equals 3. So we have 3 divided by 21 divided by 7, and we can write this part as 3 over 21 divided by 7. So we must keep the first fraction 3 over 21 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 7, which equals 3 over 147. And this is our final answer for this problem. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this session.